Alright, welcome back. Outdoor unit's not running. Two heat pumps. It's got two zones here. Alright, so I got one running. One not even kicking on. It's calling for heat at the thermostat. This one's kicking on. I can tell you right now. I can smell it. I can smell it leaking this thing. Let's check it. Go ahead and check my pressures. On the low side, this is a heat pump load as well. I just put that on there, smacked it on there. Got 40 psi, so you know where stuff from. See the low side of the pump, just out of curiosity. They're going to smell the oil so badly. Well, I'm not worried about it. It's 40 psi on the high side. That's the vapor line. So you know it's a rough leak there. Matter of fact, looks pretty oily on that muffler there. Yeah, as you can see, it's directly, it looks like a dryer, but it's actually a muffler. Seeing us directly on the vapor line. So we're gonna go ahead and leak check this thing. That'd be crazy if both of them were leaking though. I have a feeling that being a Lennox, I'm pretty certain that's the leaker. Oh yeah, she blew. She blew out on us. Oh man, it's a bad blow. Can't even tell where it's coming out of either. See if I can pinpoint it actually. This out of that muffler. Got my leak. I'm gonna ultrasonic real quick. I think this is muffler. I add a little bit of refrigerant to it, see if I can detect where it's coming from. So yeah, I got nitrogen on the system. Use the ultrasonic, so we'll see what we've got with that. We got pressure on it. Couldn't see it with the ultrasonic, so I'm got the sniffer out now. Oh wow, that's good. Showing a 9. Four, 5, okay. Let's see. I feel like it's going off right there.
He's all over the place, at least in the Carolinas. Now, he told me that they had an agreement, maybe in his building. It's kind of
Here we go. Break up. I'll break up the soap levels for it. We found it. Pretty big one. I don't know why my ultrasonic didn't detect that. Leak is out of control now. So I got that one buttoned up. Now let's check this one. Oh really? Literally zero. Nothing in there. Wow. Let me see. That's even right. Oh, they're not exaggerating. Okay. Another leak to find. Crazy. Now, if that's not leaking, I don't know what is. Boom. You know, you got, that's your leak. That's got to be a leak. There's no pressure on this system, so I'm just going to see if I can detect it. I checked the condenser visually. Just figured with a leak that big there was going to be some symptoms of oil. So I just came directly up here. But I think this is going to be the ticket. Gotta put some